Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and affordable way to make your own travel perfume just using Vaseline and Labello or any small container that you have at home. It's very trendy these days, so let's make it together to see if it really works and is that having long lasting or not. You just need to use any perfume you like to make it for daily use or travel because it's easy to carry. So let's get started. First, take a small amount of Vaseline and put it into a heat-safe bowl. Place a bowl over hot water and gently heat it until the Vaseline melts completely. Don't boil it hard and just let it melt slowly. Once the Vaseline is fully melted, remove it from the heat and add a few drops of favorite perfume into the melted Vaseline. Mix well until the perfume is very blended. Pour the mixture into a small container or lip balm pot. Let it cool and set. Once solid, your travel perfume is ready to use. I normally put it in the fridge for 1 hour and then it's time to use it. It's ready. Let's try it together. I'm so excited to share this experience with you and see if it really works or not. This is what I made. As you see, it's not very big. I made it a little bit to see if it really works or not. Let's smell it. Oh, I love it. It's really smell my perfume Germinal, but so much softer, not too strong as I actually expected. But I think it's because I didn't use so much perfume into the Vaseline. Maybe you should do that. But the smell and the scent is exactly like the original smell. I can use it as my lotion on my body. Let's try it here. I really can smell it. And I love it. In general, it's perfect. This is small and affordable for everyone. Overall, it's really nice for the daily use. If you're looking for a gentle fragrance for traveling or for everyday wear, you can use it. Thank you for watching and I hope you like it.